we will discuss this lookup relationship and the self lookup relationship. As we know that the master detail relationship is also one to many relationship. That means one parent is related to the multiple child. A lookup relationship is also a one to many relationship, but the difference is that in master detail relationship there is a condition is that the delete cascade is that means when delete the parents its child also are deleted, and there is a functionality that the security sharing property, this is all the inherit by the master link master to the detail, and ownership also are changed in the detail things. These things is happen in the master detail relationship, but in the lookup relationship this is not happening. There is no option of the maybe there is a option of the delete cascade, but there is a not compulsory that the whatever the record in the whatever the record in many side, it must be linked with the objects. First one to many, there each object should be linked with the in first. This is the master detail relationship, but there is maybe some object can be leave empty, and there is can be some object leave here empty, and maybe they link with the multiple object. So, this kind of the introduction of the lookup relationship, and we can read one by one what is the lookup relationship. In Salesforce, lookup relationship is the types of the relationship. What is that? This is the type of relationship between the two objects, that allow to link them without enforcing the strictly dependence. What the things in the master detail relationship is happen, they are the strictly dependent to the each other. Here the quick breakdown that the in master detail relationship, they are the strictly dependent. Master detail field is strictly dependent in the master field. In this lookup relationship there is no condition of the strictly dependence. What is a lookup relationship? It connected two object in one to many. There is an option of the one to many object. One to many object can be created, but you can create the one to one relationship from the lookup relationship. From the lookup, there is a connection connects two object in one to one and one to many fashion. You can connect the object in one to one fashion and one to many fashion also. Unlike that, the master detail relationship, the child record does not depend on the parents record for ownership and the sharing. In master detail record, what is the difference? The master detail record, the child record should be dependent on the parents, and the owners should be dependent on the parent, and he inherit the property of the ownership and the sharing property and security also. There is a security also inherit whatever the parents security. This is also inherited by the detail field. If the parents record is deleted, if by default is the parents record is deleted, the child record is not automatically deleted. In the lookup relationship, if the parents record is deleted, then its child record is not automatically deleted unless you enable the option. If you have the enable delete this record if the parents is deleted, if you enable this option that delete the record if the parents is deleted, then if you enable it, then the object the many side record is deleted when one side of the record is deleted. If you click it, I don't know, I will see the where is the that option delete this record if the parents is deleted. Then if you are the click it, then child is deleted when you delete its parents. Okay, key feature: optical relationship, there is no restrict relationship, the lookup field can be left blank. In master detailed relationship there is one to many relationship, one to one, one to many. There is in master detailed relationship, there if there is a three records, they must be linked with a master. But in lookup relationship maybe there is the 10 record, but only the only three record are related with the master, three record related with the one side, and remaining are the not related with. This is the feature of the lookup relationship. The matlab, that means optional relationship, it's totally depend on the many side, that it should be many it should be the lookup field can be blank, left blank. Lookup relation can be blank. Security and sharing, child record does not inherit the parent sharing rule. And third one is the cross object formula. Yet you can refer the field from the parent's object, cross object formula field. There is a field of the cross object formula field. We will learn, we have learned, but I or it read only kind of the field, and you can generate the formula from that means you can calculate the new value from the given field. This is the cross object field, and it is read only. Cascade delete optional, you can enable it by the delete this record if the parents record is deleted. If parents record is deleted, can be enabled manually. If you want this, then you can enable. When to use the lookup relationship, when you want to associate want to two object must keep the independent. If you want to the two object to keep it independent, then use the lookup relationship. For example, linking of the contact to an account, but allow the contact to exist without the account. For example, the contact is a independent object, and the account is also independent object. There is a linking between the contact to the account, but contact can be exist without linking to the account, and without an account can be exist without linking with the parents. How to create the lookup relationship? Go to navigation, setup, and set of object, and then select set of the object manager, and select the object where do you want to create the field. Select the object in the object manager. You select the object and then create the new field and click the new, and lookup field is their option. And second, lookup field, select the related object. That means you want to. One thing I want to tell you that what the if there is a one object, this one, and this is another object, there is a one to many relationship in which object you will create the lookup field. Always note that, always note the always no matter whether the master data relationship or whether the lookup relationship, this both relationship is created in the many side. They both relation is created with many side. So we have select the field, inside of the field relationship click the link, and select the lookup relationship, then click the then select the related record. That means they asking about the who will the parents record, and that means they asking about this record. They are assuming that they are the many side. They asking about the who is from one side. Select the object and conflict the field label, field name, field label, security, which profile can be view, and the decided the field should be required or optional. Mm, Field label security, this is the field, then field name, description, whatever you want to. If you want to help text like this to visible there, then you can check is child relationship name. You will see this is another when for example child relationship name, for example a teacher and a student, a teacher and a student, teacher is linked with the man side, this kind of the relationship. This relationship is name, this relational field is name is the child relationship field, child relationship field. And one thing is that this field is visible in the user inside of the student. This field name is visible inside of the student. And related list field, related list list related list label is visible in the related part of the teacher. Field name is visible in the student, and this relationship is called as a child relationship. This is the name, and this is useful when you use the SQL in development. How will connect with how we retrieve the data from the parents to child and child to parents. This all the thing is used in the SQL. Then you have write down the name of the child relationship name. Then there is the option of the required. It's required, always required a value in this field in order to the save the record. That means do you want to there is some record, and they must be linked with the any master record kind of the thing. If you want required, each field should be linked with the master, then you can click on the required. Then there is an option, what do you if lookup relation is delete. What do you want? Clear the value of the field. You cannot choose this option if you are make this field required. If you make this field required, then clear the field value. That means they suppose there is a record, and in record they are related with the some another master object, master record. If the master is deleted, then then you can choose this option. If you clear the field value, then the value of the field, whatever the inside of the field is stored, deleted. Second is don't allow delete of lookup record. That's part of the lookup relationship. If the child relationship name in Salesforce is used to create the lookup or the master detail relationship, whatever the thing is the child relationship name I want to know, and these things are the still remaining, and I will discuss. The custom object, it defined as the how child record will be referenced in the parents object related list API. What is it? This is the label of the relationship from the parents perspective. When you view the parents record, the related list shown in the child record, you use this name, and whatever the child relationship name, this is used in the related part of the that relation. In this API SOQL, this become the relationship name for query child record. This become the SOQL relationship name. Example, suppose you have the account, and the second one is a invoice. Once you create the lookup to account, while creating the relationship, You enter the child relationship name is the invoice. One on the record page, there is a account and the invoice. Then on the record page you will see the related risk value is invoice. That means whatever the value you insert in the customer relationship, this will reflect in the related part of the master side. This is also saying that the invoice you master side. On record you will related invoice. In SQL you have the query, or SQL, in SQL you have the query of the select name from the account, and this is the parents and they call to the child. Parents account, it's child, select name from invoice, and this is the I yesterday I had read it. This is used in the SQL. That means this child relationship name. Show more invoice R is the declare the child relationship name. Blank blank is the declare the child relationship. It should be the pure because it represents the list of the child record. It should be the pure and it represents the list of the child record. So it required when create a relationship, it affect the related list label API related name. Do not don't fill label. For example, there is a contact and you inside of the related list you will see that there is a related and there is a contacts. Context is the same and पेरेंट्स रिलेटेड में क्या शो हो रहा है, ये शो कराता है. Sir have the give the one assessment that the student, batch, course, faculty and rating, these are the field and you have to make the system. Sir have the understood that the faculty is related to the course and there is a faculty is one side and the courses are the many side. There is a master detail relationship, batch and the course is the master and the detail batch is the detail, and there is a assumption relationship between the student and batch. Many to many relationship is represented by the assumption object is a student in batch use, and there is a master detail relationship between the student and the rating. This all the things is happening, but there is a thing is remaining. What are the things that the what to do if the record is deleted, then what we have to do. This field this can be read from here. This determined what happened to the child record when the parents lookup record is deleted. If what happen if the parents lookup record is deleted, there is a two option. First is clear the value of this field. That means if the parents record is deleted, if the parents record is deleted, the lookup field on the child record become the blank null. If the parents is deleted, then the child record value will become the null. In this option, the first one is option A. The clean the value of this field. You cannot choose this option if you are making it required. You cannot. Then that's will impact the child. It remain in the system, but they no longer refer to the deleted parents. You have the contact object like the account. If the account is deleted, contact object with lookup account. If the account is deleted, the contact record stay and account field on the contact become empty. Useful when the child record can be exist independently or to child. The second one is a don't allow to delete of this lookup record that refer. Don't delete it. That means Salesforce will prevent the delete of the parent's record if any child record referred to. If any child is referred to some referred by the some parents. You cannot delete the parents until the all record are updated to the detail. Therefore, there is a master detail relationship. Master and detail. Suppose they are linked with the three, and they want to. Suppose there is a master detail relationship, and this is related to it. If you want to delete this, then you must have to it's associated with the different parents. This is the second option. Don't allow to delete of the lookup record. Don't allow to delete the lookup record that's referred. If that record is referred by the some another record, then it's not, it should be don't delete the lookup record that's part of the lookup relation. Don't delete the lookup record which is a part of the lookup relationship. The cells will prevent delete to the present record if the child referred it. Impact: you cannot delete the parents until all records are updated or deleted. You cannot delete the parents record until all the related records are updated or deleted. Example, same contact and account. If try to delete the account that has the contact link, the Salesforce through error cannot delete because it referred the contact. When the key record will always on the valid play and strong dependency. When the child record must away from the valid parents is dependency. Tips: in this setting, you applied the lookup relationship or not master detail relationship. Because master delete the prevent account and the delete the child. Then add the page layout. Page layout should include the field name, related list or deleted behavior. Related list and deleted behavior means that the this is decide if you want to related object to be appear on the related list. Related object should be appear on the. Then you can save the related list is the decide if you want to related object to be appeared in the related list. Delete behavior, choose whether the all allow delete cascade option. That means optional setting. Inside of the optional setting there is a delete behavior. You can select the cascade delete, that optional to you. Self relationship is relationship with itself. It is a kind of the one-to-one relationship or lookup relationship with created to itself. First of all, I will talk to you about the how to create the lookup relationship. Let's see what are there is a field is the account and a student, and let's see what are go to the setup. What are the relationship between them? It's a master detail relationship. Earlier I have maybe created for the demonstration. Let's go to the if no matter there is a master detail relationship or anything, this will be visible only in the ciphers. Where is the student? This is the student. Field, and maybe the don't worry, this all the things are running fine. You have just change the switch, and look here, there is a relationship. Maybe this is a student and there is a three lookup. Then is it related with the account? Let's see. You can jump to the schema builder, and in schema builder you can select the object kind of the things. First of all, clear all the things and then select the account. I want to select the account, this one. I want to add this one account. I select this one. Where is that? This is here. Then second one is a student. This is the second object. This is the second object. There is no relationship between the account and there is no relationship between the account and the student. If you want to create the relationship of the master data relationship kind of the thing, not a master data lookup relationship, that means account is related with the student, then how you will create? Let's see one by one. You first of all you will go to setup, and go to the setup and then select the object here, and there is a two way to create the object. Two things. Click to the object. There in here is a one of the logic is that where you will create the field. It should it account or the student. So which one is the many side? It's one to many side. So field will created in the many side. Noted. So don't select the account. Select the student. Write down the student. And select this one, and field and relationship. Then click on the new, and then do you want to create the lookup relationship? Read whatever the things is written here. Creating a relationship that link of object to the another object. This is lookup relationship used for the linking of the one object to the another object. The relational field allow to user to click the lookup icon to see to select the value from the pop-up link. The object is the source of the value of the list. The object is the source of the value. Click on the lookup relationship, then click on the next. I want to create the lookup relationship. From which object do you want to related it? I want to the related with the account object, account to student. So I will select the here account, and then click to the next. I have created click it to the next. Then there is a things field label. What do you want to display this name? So I want to display whenever you have opened the page layout of the page layout of the student, then what the field do you want to look, what the name do you want to look, that name is the field label. And if you want the account, and then its account, then click the field label. It's used in the backend. And child relationship name, what the name do you want to look in the a related list in account section. So it's that's name, and it's used in the it's used in the for what SOQL. And there is an option is the required. What do you want to do? Required, allow you required if in this field in order to save the record. If the user want to save the record, then it's allowed to fill the field value inside of this. If not, if you are not click on second, what to do in the record? Clear the field value. If there is a no parents, then clear the field value. Otherwise don't delete reparenting kind of the thing, and then after that the delete that value is the second option. It's depend on if I click the if I select the required, then it automatically change from the delete allow don't allow delete of the lookup record. That's the part of the lookup relation. It kind of the thing. So who is the in the child, there should be a parents to the auto add the custom report type. Add this file to extension the custom report type. This is the help text is like, at the last we will look the lookup filter. What the things is the lookup filter, we'll read it and then click the next. What do you want to visibility? I want to do visible with all is what are the field label is the account, and the data type lookup, and field name is account. Then click to the next. I want to add this field to be page layout student list. Then click on the next. What do you want to related list name? Specify related list label. What the label do you want to create? No, do you want to for example, if you see here, if you click here, there is an account, and there is a contacts, opportunities, and the cases. This name is achieved by from here, and this name is achieved by here, and its backend name is achieved by the relationship name is achieved by the child relationship name. With the child relationship name, click here, and there is no option for the select append related list user, make it personal. Look here, there is a object of the student, and there will be a student and there will be a field is created which is related to account. This field is created related to account. So if you want to for example, there is not, please refresh it for initially. I have the no. If I created the new object, new student, maybe it should be number Raju Karya. Subject B, account. This is a field is relationship between, and this control view is customized by the lookup filter, whatever the things. Raju, this is the things is happening here. This is from the student account. From the account you also do this things also from the account. For example, this is the And do you want to create a customer? Click here to create the customer node for knowing the part. This all the things is have created. It's another way to create the class whenever there is a need of it. And this is a field. This is a relationship field relation. Then we come to the type of lookup relationship. Now you can see into a schema builder what are the differences you will face earlier and now. What are the difference do you will face if click here to object manager and then click to the schema builder and then select the account. This is field is the lookup relationship. This green field is the lookup relationship that relationship has created. Relationship just created.